A large number of people across the country are engaged in manufacturing brass artifacts to meet domestic and export demand. Most of the brassware artisans are still using traditional coke or coal-fired furnace for brass melting. These furnaces are fuel inefficient, polluting and hazardous. The traditional furnace top is open. Exit flue gas temperature is around 800 degrees Celsius. Artisans work in close proximity of the furnace. They are exposed to hot toxic flue and dust. During melting, a lot of zinc vapor comes out of the furnace, which the artisans directly inhale. All these not only adversely affect both economics and health of the artisans, but also pollute the surrounding areas. Thus, these craft practices need technological interventions for the sustenance of the artisans. CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory has developed an efficient, eco-friendly and less polluting indigenous coke-based furnace for the brass metal artisans. The developed furnace is constructed with locally available bricks and mud. Combustion air is controlled and preheated by waste flue heat. The top of furnace is closed. The exit flue gas temperature is around 250 degrees Celsius. Thus, the artisans are not exposed to toxic flue gas, dust and zinc vapor. The surrounding area is considerably less polluted. The developed furnace reduced the coke consumption by 20%, reduction in melting time by 20%. Loss of metal during melting is also less. Thus, the productivity is increased considerably with better working environment. All these will improve the economic condition of artisans. The furnace has been developed with minimum alteration of traditional brass melting furnace for better acceptability with an additional cost which can be recovered within 2 weeks of furnace operation. CSIR National Metallurgical Laboratory and Indian Thermal Engineering Kolkata jointly developed 150 kilograms capacity brass melting furnace for casting ingots and 10 kilograms scale CNG based melting furnace for production of artifacts. The developed furnace using CNG is efficient, cost effective and pollution free.